Located in historic district, stunning 117-year-old, restored and updated Victorian with wraparound porch. This 3260 square foot central hallway home features detailed millwork, boasts 5 bedrooms and 4 fireplaces. Master suite on first floor has tiled walk-in shower, dual sinks and original clawfoot tub. Elegant dining with French doors adjoins front parlor. Powder room off hallway, large updated eat-in kitchen with plenty of storage and counter space. Family room has built-ins and fireplace.